What looks like we're getting close on SK Hynix. Let's get to Kristina Partsinevelos.
Carl, we actually hit it. So the shares have opened in the United States, listing roughly at 172, 173 right now. So that's about 15% higher than the listing price of 149. They were waiting for that volume to come in. They had about 11 million shares that traded hands. That's why they opened right now. You can see shares popping to 174, so up 17% now, higher than that 149 level. There is a lot of liquidity in this market for this company. It's well known. It is listed in South Korea first. There are ADRs in Europe as well. It is the leader in high bandwidth memory, so it's an opportunity for U.S. investors to get a piece of that pure play memory maker. And yes, Micron is a huge competitor, built here on U.S. soil. But when it comes to high bandwidth memory and the connection with NVIDIA, that's where SK Hynix dominates. So this is an opportunity. You're seeing a movement. There's going to be passive income coming in too in the coming months. We should have to account for that. Demand, let's say in the next September onwards, Barclays is estimating anywhere to $14 billion of extra money once SK Hynix gets added to these indices. But you can see the demand is there, liquidity is there. It's 11:36. Normally, sometimes this takes till 1 p.m. Eastern time to actually open. Today's shares are opening 14% higher, guys.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like they need the money. They've got a pretty stellar balance sheet. I think 70% operating margins right now. Clearly, times are good. But on the question of valuation, Kristina, remind us, because that's a big part of it, right? That they would get a higher premium trading in the United States than they get in South Korea, even though it's up, I don't know, 600% in the last 12 months.
Yeah, in terms of, if we just look at the forward P, often that's what the sell side guys and all the notes they're using. They're like, this is so much cheaper. But that gap between SK Hynix and Micron has actually been shrinking. And the reason why there was such a gap is because American investors just couldn't access the South Korean shares. You could do it maybe in a more unique and difficult ways, but in general, you just couldn't. And the argument is that perhaps now that it's listed here in the United States, that gap may change a little bit because people are realizing SK Hynix has a presence here. About $4 billion going to be spent in Indiana. We heard from the chairman. He said that they're going to be investing more. He didn't give any financial number, but he said that they're looking at more investments. We know that the Commerce Secretary, Howard Lutnick, is pushing the group to invest more, especially with Micron announcing that they're going to be expanding $50 billion more here in the United States. So that should help, the supply and demand conversation in terms of valuation. It could affect it too. But right now, SK Hynix is still relatively cheaper than Micron when you're just looking at the forward PE.